welcome back to the channel. Alright, today y'all, this is working on a 2008 Chrysler 300 with the 2.7 in here. And we recently just did the water pump and the timing chain and stuff like that. So we put everything back together and crank it up. She running good, but we got a misfire on cylinder number 1 over here. So what I'm about to get to do is, I can hear air leaking, like I can hear a vacuum leak somewhere. So what I'm gonna do, crank it up, this hose right here. See this hose, just really you can use any kind of hose. And I'm gonna put it around here and see if I can hear where the air coming from. And then we're gonna go from there. Also guys, to get to this point, I had already swapped the ignition coils out. I put the number 1 over here on this one, and then and that's not misfiring. So, and then I can hear that air too. So let's see. I'm gonna see if I can let y'all hear it too. Hold on. Let me see. Y'all can hear those injectors. So we just gonna move this along here. Yeah, I can hear it. It's right here. Y'all probably can hear it too. Y'all can hear that leak, air leak down in there. So what we gonna do is take up this intake and replace these intake gaskets. I got bought this set right here. It comes with upper and the lower intake gasket. The blue ones are for the lower, and these red or orange ones for the top, for this part right here. So that's what we're about to do right now, guys. I'm about to take this thing up. And with this hose technique, you can like do that on any car. They got other ways you can do it too, like spraying it with soapy water or using the propane, but I don't want to do that. I'm gonna keep it simple and easy for me. Okay? Get busy. Take this breather hose. I already loosened this up. Loosen this one up here. Take this hose off, guys, real quick. You got these plugs back here. Right here, just mash it. Pull this tab out, this red tab, and then you mash it, release it. Same thing with this. Just pull the red tabs back. And then, did I even pull it back? Oh, yeah, there it is. That one, this one ain't even got the tab no more. What happened to that? Then you pull your breather out. Get that out of the way with a hose. Just lay that out your way. And only thing you got some hose back here. There's 2 hoses here, y'all can see them. Just pull those out the way, put them to the side. And this one right here gonna come out when I take the intake up, so it's kind of funny working in there. So you got some, these are 10 millimeters. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those. You got this hose here to go to the PVC valve, this one right here. Then you got these brackets over here, which mine is already off because I already had this thing up, but they're size 10 here and size 10 over here, these little brackets. And if you follow the bracket down, it's a size 13 or a ½ inch that you would have to move out your way. Get this hose up here. This would be a little hard. Just stick a screwdriver on it and pull it up. So take these off of my gun. That's size 10. And they say it's a sequence for this. Y'all can just look that up online. You gotta do, baby.
I knew it.
You know it. Okay. Okay. Hopefully y'all can see that. This is the fuel pump relay right here. You got an empty here and it's right there, so just pull that out. I'm just sit it right there. Now once y'all take the fuel pump relay out, you just spin the engine over a couple of times to get the pressure off. So you can take these off on the injector rail. You just got these little tabs right here, these green tabs, if you can see them. It's fine. You just push those tabs and pull them out. A little gas gonna come out, but it ain't gonna be a big stream like it's under a lot of pressure. You just move them out your way. Just tuck them back somewhere out your way. And then also make sure you want to block these off. You don't want no screws or nothing to fall down in there, because that'll be bad. So now I'm finna take up this injector rack. Well, first I'm gonna clean it up a little bit because I got a little trash down here and I don't want them to get in the injector holes. So I got my vacuum. I'm gonna vacuum it up. Got my little shop vac over here, about to vacuum it up. So, but they look like they're size 8 millimeters. Right here, these little ones here. It's for the injector rack. You got 4 of them. 2 here, 2 over there. All right, I got it clean as I can get it down in there with this. Look what I done rigged up, y'all. Let me show y'all. With my vacuum, I was trying to get little holes. I rigged up a little setup to get down in there, but hey, I needed the smaller little holes, but that's what it do. But okay, these are size 8 millimeters or 5/16 for your injector rail. Ooh. And it do knock some dirt out too. So you just want to set your screws to the side. Get your screws out, just take your hand here, rock them out of there. Rock steady. Then just turn them up. Ooh, they so dirty. I'm gonna clean those off. I got some carb cleaner because they dirty. Ooh, now that it's so dirty now. I don't like that. Oh, and I'm glad I did put that in there. Just flip them over to the side like that for a minute. Before I put them back, I'm gonna clean them with some of that. Hold on, let me show y'all. I think it's carburetor cleaner, chalk cleaner, or something. Well, actually say this right here, but that's what we got. But I need to vacuum this up some more because there's a lot of dirt down in here, and I don't want nothing to get down in there. So let me do that. Be back. So just lift it up here. Oh. Oh. I stuffed that tissue all the way down in there. Yeah, see how flat those gaskets are? The orange ones here. They like flat. Especially the one up here by number 1. Especially that one right there. You see how flat? Oh snap. My bad, y'all. That one is flat and messed up. But don't worry. We got the new set. The new set. So, let me get this paper towel back in here. Well, I'm going to vacuum that up one more time. Then we're going to clean it up. Right, I'm cleaning it. I done cleaned it up just as good as I'm gonna get it, guys. I'm putting this gasket back on, this upper gasket, and I got the ones on the bottom of this intake to do. But they pretty easy to get in. Just push them in there. You can't get it wrong. On these lower ones, y'all got this little. I mean, not y'all, but it's got this little tab on it right here. You just fit in there. You can't, like I say, you can't really get them wrong, guys. Just put them in there. Sweet. Look, if I can get them in there. Okay, yeah, see? Now that look pretty. And that's the top. Now let's get ready to put this back in. Take all my tissue out. I mean, I keep saying tissue, y'all. Somebody help me. I mean, paper towel. Take all that out real quick. All right, y'all, we're getting ready to sit this back on here. Oh, that thing looking pretty. I'm just gonna put these screws, get them set up for the spot. And I'm gonna pull this tissue out of these injectors, ports. And I wanna clean those. I don't want no trash to get in those. So yeah, just flip these back over. Just putting them back down in the spot. And the other side over here. Rock though. Make sure they bottom out, guys. I can put my other screws in there. I ain't tighten them all the way up yet. Yeah, I'm just getting everything set up. Just get this one now. Try to show y'all this torque sequence. Y'all can find it on AutoZone.com. See if y'all can see that. Might have a glare on it, but that's the sequence. Hold on. I don't know if this camera blurry, if y'all can see it. But yeah, go to AutoZone.com and y'all can see it on there. Y'all got everything on, looking pretty. Oh yeah, y'all, it's 8 screws. And don't make a mistake and put, because it's a hole back here, right here too. But it wasn't a screw in there. But on the torque sequence, it ain't even one in there either, so I don't know why that's even there. It's locked. Make sure your tab's locked. Okay, now we can put the intake back on. Because if you put the intake back on, don't hook your gas lines up. Turn that key, gas gonna be skiing everywhere. Let's turn it back right here, guys. It'll go in there then. And don't forget to get your your PCV hose up through here, because that gotta come in too. This hose right here, if y'all can see that. But yeah, this hose here. Let me come back over here and get it sitting on the right. Is it about to work with the belt? Alright. Also, guys, they got the torque for the upper intake on AutoZone.com also. So y'all can just go there and get your torque sequence and the torque. Okay, guys, this side is torque gonna go. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's the torque sequence on how you do that one. But yeah. Alright, guys, got everything torqued back down. So it is an overview. Don't forget to put your bracket back on back here. Right there. I only put one on back on. So I'm about to get ready to crank it up and see what she do. Yeah, I'm gonna leave y'all right here while I crank it up. Well, first let me go back here and put this relay back in. The fuel pump relay. Don't forget to put that back in, guys. And then just cycle the switch on and off a couple times to build up the fuel pressure before you crank it. So let me go do that. About to crank it up, y'all. Let me see. Hold on. cycle on about 10 times. Let it run for a while. Get my little handy dandy pipe down here. So remember it was right there before. But we don't hear no leak. Hey, we don't hear no leak. Hey, we don't hear no leak. Hey, we don't hear no leak. No leak. No leak. We about to ride out. We about to ride out. Alright, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Y'all share it to whoever you want to share it to, whoever need to know. 08 Chrysler 300 2.7 and